2015 Toyota Sienna battery replacement. So first, what you want to do after you have the hood popped is we're going to take this battery, call it the hold down, off. It's a 10 millimeter bolt. Go ahead and get this one off. I like to put them up here because that's just a good spot. And we're going to loosen this nut in the back. It might be stubborn, but you don't have to take it all the way off. Just get it loose enough so where you could remove this this little pole and then the hold down itself. Go ahead and keep these up here. Now take this little cover off, and we're going to take this battery terminal clamp off. We're going to do the negative side first, always negative first, because it's less likely to spark or cause a voltage spike in the system. So go and slide this off, and then you can put a rag around this, or you know, just tuck it to the side. Just try not to arc it on nothing. Then we're going to take the positive off. It's a 10 millimeter on these clamps. Just, you don't have to take the nut all the way out. Just loosen them up enough to where the clamp is loose enough and you can slide them off. Don't let the clamps touch. I'm going to remove this off camera. Just lift it up. Here's my new one. It's pretty much the exact same battery, same CCA rating. CCA stands for cold cranking amps, 575. Here's my part number. You don't have, I'm going to put this back in. This is from the dealer, but you don't have to get a battery from the dealer. All right, so I put it in. Now it has these little caps. Just take these caps off. These are just our plastic. They make it so the terminal doesn't get rusty or corroded or nothing like that. Put the positive side on first. All right, tighten that down. You don't got to go super tight on those 10 millimeter nuts because you don't want to like break the clamp or strip the nut out. Just get them pretty snug. Then we'll take the plastic cover off on this side, and we're going to put our negative clamp on. Now you might get like a little spark here or there, but it's fine. Just make sure you do it in negative last. Negative's first to come off and last to go on. All right, get that snug. Then we'll put our battery hold down back on. You can just go and put this 10 millimeter bolt back in. That'll kind of hold it in place. Go ahead and get that right there. And then you could just slide this guy back in. Now there's a hole down here. It's a hole where this hook goes into. I'm gonna try to zoom in so you guys can see. Hopefully you just saw it right there, but basically there's a part that's painted white, and there's like a little hole that the hook goes into right there. When you tighten this down, it might pop out of that. So just, you know, maybe you could hold the hold down while you're doing it so it doesn't pop out. But you don't got to get that super tight because it'll squeeze the battery and deform it. Just snug. As long as the battery's not moving around, you know, sliding all over, you're fine. I've seen guys tighten those down super tight and it messes the battery up. All right, but that's it, guys. So now we'll go to inside. After you start your car, your automatic windows should work still. They should just, you know, go be automatic. But if they aren't, then what you want to do is push the button up. Once it gets up into the top, hold it for about 5 seconds, and then we'll go down and do the same thing. It goes down and then hold it for 5 seconds. This is kind of like a universal Toyota automatic window reset. All right, let's try that. All right, now it works. Mine didn't need to be reset, but I just wanted to show you just in case. And if you need to do it on all the windows, go ahead and do it on all the windows. But just something to know. But it looks like on this model you don't necessarily need to do that. All right, thanks for watching. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Have a good day. I'll see you next video.